I give me all fucking beer.
What do you think you're doing there, boy? I think you need to sit back down and chill out.
What, people? I was just passing, and there what? I'll back up on Ringo. He said to me, "Can I come out and block?" But I've got the kids to look after. So here what? It's a I can't pull up one of them. Love.
Because at the end of the day, there's people that need people.
That is it. And we've got somebody here, yeah, as well, that we're helping out as well. Yeah, man.
It's a I can't pull up one of them. Love.
Yes, everyone, as we can see, Lucky eating. Ringo is just completing the mission right now. Lucky, how would you describe the flavours?
The flavours are amazing.
Alright, everyone. So the kitchen has to go in the office because it's too windy and it's taking too long. Backing it up.
The office.
In the office.
Happy New Year, everyone. Hope you enjoyed your Christmas, guys. Come on. Big up Ringo himself for doing what he's doing. He's out there. New Year's Eve. He's doing his thing. You know, come on, big him up.
Our good vibes. Vegetable soup.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Bit of bread as well?
Bit of bread as well.
Well, have a happy New Year, okay?
You guys as well, yeah?
Give us a call
And now we hope that the streets is just going to be cool. It's going to be nice. And it's going to be good vibes. Yeah? Good vibes. That's it.
Hopefully no problems, man.
They should.
Yeah, they
If
should.
there is, it's called us, we'll be here.
Alright.
Happy New Year.
Good vibes. And do the interior design inside of the office people, yeah? But no watch no face. Because guess what I go on? Things still are going in that office. Guess what I go on, right?
We're still kicking in the cold and the...
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, bro.
Big up. Good vibes. Yes, people, Happy New Year and a good vibes. I'm outside of the kitchen. I've already been cooking people, yeah. I'm here with Adam and Lucky.
Yes.
And Adam's on camera. Lucky's just chilling out right now. He's been up and down the market and he's got some donations of bread for us today, people, yeah. What a good vibes, people, yeah. It's the new year and we're here with the kitchen, people, yeah. Look, the pot is already bubbling. I've already got the ingredients and sorted out. Let me show you what I go on quickly. Lucky, Adam, how you feeling?
All good, bro. Ready for the new year, mate?
Ready for
Kicking
it, yeah?
off, yes, mate. 100%.
Alright, I love
Gonna
that.
be a good new year, brother.
Alright,
2025. Bring
I
it
love
on.
that. So look, people, yeah, I've got the Scotch bonnet pepper in there. We've got the red onion, the garlic, the ginger. We've got tomatoes. Look at the pumpkin. We're waiting for the pumpkin to finish boil out to give us the complexion. So what I'm gonna start doing as well, at the same time, it's a busy day right here in Croydon, people, yeah. We're in the trenches, you understand? Because remember saying, Croydon's one of them places, yeah, it's a capital of badness and a lot of imperfections are here in Croydon, you understand? But we're here to bring back the normality within the community as well, people, yeah. This place is known for knife capital. It's known for a lot of different scenarios that happen in and out this part of South London, particularly. You know what? Since we've been here and we've been cooking, it's been a good vibes. That's what I'm talking about. You understand? Look at this, people, yeah. We've got the yam that we're gonna put in the pot today, yeah. Some white yam. Just peel up the white yam. This one's a big one, so we're just gonna peel it halfway. And then what's gonna happen, yeah? You see the yam now, yeah? The yam's a root vegetable, you understand? And it's grown underneath the ground for 9 months in tropical conditions. So you have to have the right climate, you know, for something like this to grow underneath the ground, you understand? And develop, people, yeah? You understand? A good vibes. That is it. What me say? Good vibes.
Good vibes.
You know, another thing that I want to talk about as well, people, I want to talk about the journey with you guys and how you guys feeling on the journey so far. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you that's been on the journey with me, that's been supporting the GoFundMe. You understand? Lucky, give Adam a light. Adam needs a light. Give him a light. A good vibes.
Why you got the camera going? I'm gonna wish you all a happy good year.
Happy good year.
Happy New Year and thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you, Ringo.
Oh, you're welcome, man.
Thank you, Adam.
You're welcome, brother.
And-
Happy
and
New Year.
Thank you to the whole community. You're all brilliant. Thank you very much.
And just to make it clear to everyone, yeah, Adam's not actually homeless, but he's a very, very good friend of Lucky, and he's not left him out, people, yeah. And that's what you call that's what you call a good brother there, or a good sister, but he's a good brother, you understand? He's got somewhere with his missus and his kids and that. You understand? But at the same time, he comes out every day, he chills out with him, he sticks with him, he pushes him, he encourages him to go through the process. And we're here as well with Lucky, and that's why Lucky today has got a temporary accommodation, people, yeah?
That's why Lucky has got lucky.
That's it.
Everyone putting in the goodness.
That's it.
Thank you
That's all
very
it
much,
takes.
everybody. Thank you. Happy New Year.
And thank you as well, Adam.
You're more than welcome, brother. All it takes is just that extra bit of help and just,
Moral support.
yeah, moral support, communal support,
The encouragement.
being there for someone. It takes a lot to be there for someone, but it's
Lucky Cooking,
makes it
yeah,
work.
How does it, like your first night, can you tell us a little bit about your first night in your house?
Well, to be honest with you, it was a bit too warm. Like,
Go on.
yeah, because I'm not used to it. It was a
Yeah.
bit too warm and that. So I had to climatise, turn the radiator down and all of that. But now I'm just comfortable and
But even though you was a bit too warm, was you still happy?
yeah, I was happy. Of course I was. I slept in till like 11 a.m. Normally I'm up at 5 a.m.
Wow. So 5, 6, 7,
6
8,
hours.
9, 10,
Yeah.
11. That's an extra 6 hours. You actually get to have a proper
get
sleep.
to sleep and that. And I get to cook and eat.
Yeah, go on, talk.
Yeah, I get to cook, I get to eat, I get to keep myself warm and come and go when I please, basically. It's
And-
not like I have to pack up my tent every day. Not like I have to in the park. In the park, I have to pack up every day. I have to put everything away. I have to hide it, keep it dry, keep it warm.
Right.
But
And now, how that you being housed and stuff like that, how is it helping you in the sense of your situation now and like just getting better and looking forward for a better 2025?
well, it's basically made me move forward. I'm eating.
Because sorry to cut you, but to be quite frank here, you actually started off the year with a yard
Yeah,
and Christmas with a yard.
exactly.
just,
yeah.
what is it, the day before Christmas, wasn't it?
The day before
The day
Christmas.
It
before
was
Christmas.
Eve when I got the yard.
That's amazing.
So yeah, like basically I might have lined up a job for January,
Well done.
depending
That's
on my
good.
housing and all of that. Because obviously you can't work when you're sleeping in the park.
That's facts.
Yeah, that is a fact. You can't work while you're in the park and that. Get a shower every morning, get a shower every night. A good old soak a couple of times a week and that.
Yeah.
You know, like the little things. The little things that changes you.
Yeah.
And rather than relying on no disrespect, rather than relying on Ringo and all of these food banks and that, I can cook for myself and I can do my own thing. It's independent.
Yes.
So we all need to do that for each other. We all need to try and do that for each other.
You hear that, people, yeah? A good vibes. Lucky's got a good situation going on, and I hope that you guys, wherever you are watching from right now, there's some good news and some good situations, and this is very good news as well, people, yeah? You understand? So let's just keep the mission going, because this mission, if we wasn't doing this mission, we wouldn't have met someone like Lucky and been able to go through a process and even help someone like Lucky and even to see the journey of him leaving from the streets and leaving to go into a yard.
If it wasn't for
Good
you
stuff.
people, I wouldn't be in the situation I'm in. So again, thank you.
No, thank you as well, Lucky, yeah, to stick at it and be wanting to make a difference for yourself as well. Because that's the whole big thing as well. You have to actually, like, as much as we want your circumstances to change, but you also have to want your circumstance to change as well.
Yeah, I
So,
want my circumstance to change, but I want to change it for a few people as well. So I'm on a mission with you.
right.
Yeah.
So have we got the New Year's resolution?
Sorry?
Have we got the New Year's resolution?
New Year's resolution is drop the alcohol and start moving forward, standing next to Ringo like a right-hand man.
Maintain your
Yeah.
property.
Good vibes.
Good vibes.
That is it, people, yeah? One love. Let me show you what I've got on the pot right now. So look. cool. I think we're kind of like pulled up. We've got the pumpkin that's almost boiled out, and we've got some thyme. You understand? We've put bare things into the pot right now, people. Yeah. So we've got a few more potatoes, yeah, that we're just gonna drop into the pot, and that's it. We're just gonna make it just go and boil up. Cause nothing else can't go into the pot right now. The pot is like well full up right now, people. Yeah. So good vibes.
It's a I can't pull up one of them. Love.
That is it, people.
Hear what, people? I was just passing, and hear what? I'll back up on Ringo. He said to me, "Can I come out and block?" But I've got the kids to look after. So hear what? It's a I can't pull up one of them. Love.
That is it, people. Yeah, with the kitchen outside.
New donation, a bag of chicken and things for Ringo to cook.
Aye.
You see where I go on?
Yeah, you know the crew. I love that, man.
Yeah,
Chicken and things. You understand?
yeah.
Lucky, look,
all
he
there.
ain't called Lucky for nothing.
They call me Lucky.
A good vibe. Thank you, Lucky.
That's
A good
not a
vibe.
problem.
Yes, everyone. So we're still out here with the kitchen. I just went to go and top up and get some gas canisters because the canister ran out. And we need to hurry up and cook the pot. You understand? Because we've got some people here waiting for their dinner already, people. Yeah. Happy New Year. Good vibes. Super. Yes, Lucky, Wagwan.
Wagwan, you right?
Good vibes. So we've got canister. Yeah.
Ain't another trolley though.
Get that in there.
Yeah, man.
Good vibes. That's the spark up. Spark up like a spark up. Good vibes, people. Alright, everyone. So the kitchen has to go in the office because it's too windy and it's taking too long. Backing it up. Yeah. That's it. So there's no wind in there, people, yeah? Good vibes. So that is it, people, yeah? So the flames on in there. The market's out there, said way. Happy New Year, people, yeah? The people that pack up the market. Adam, and we're there, so the kitchen said way.
In the office.
In the office.
Happy New Year, everyone. Hope you enjoyed your Christmas, guys. Come on. Big up Ringo himself for doing what he's doing. He's out there. New Year's Eve. He's doing his thing. You know, come on, big him up.
Good vibes. That is it. You heard Lucky's story earlier, people, yeah? You understand? And we're here. You understand? That is it. We're waiting for the soup to just go and cook. We've got some pallet for later on because we're going to burn some fire, you know, for the new year. Where you spending the new year?
New Year?
Yeah, New Year. Where you going for New Year's?
I don't know, bro.
We're gonna burn the fire,
Where?
and I'm gonna tell you the location.
Where?
Yeah, I'll give you the location today. After we cook, we're gonna go straight there. Yeah.
Oh, you put it, do it?
Yeah. Vibes.
Oh.
We're gonna have vibes.
Sabenje.
Good vibes.
More food?
Food. We cook food. We eat first, and then we go for New Year's. After party, New Year's. Drinking, everything, happy, good vibes.
Oh,
Yes.
Come it down.
More pallets coming, yes.
He's got the fire for tonight.
Yes, see, that's it. We're loading up. You carry one, we carry one, everybody carry one, and we go.
Going 2, maybe 3.
Yeah, and we go. Yeah. Let me say Happy New Year. Oh, Bill, what's it? Happy New Year.
And you, sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. We're outside, we're vlogging Croydon, we're out here and we're feeding the homeless.
How are you?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Whereabouts are you doing that?
Right here, so we've got some homeless people here. Everyone's just waiting for their dinner. So yeah,
What are you going for dinner?
vegetable soup.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Bit of bread as well?
Bit of bread as well.
Well, have a happy New Year, okay?
You guys as
Maybe
well,
you
yeah?
should give us a call, we'll be around.
And now we hope that the streets is just going to be cool. And it's going to be nice. And
hopefully
it's going to be good vibes. Yeah?
Vibes.
Good
High
vibes. That's it.
Hopefully no problems, man.
They should be.
Yeah, they
If
should.
there is, it's called us, we'll be here.
All right.
Happy New Year.
Good vibes. Yes, Adam. So, yeah, hopefully soup will cook quicker in
the office, man.
the soup's in the office, mate. Well on there. Soup in the office, man. Soup in the office, yeah. Boom, bam. Yeah, we need to deal with the paint work. We still need to do the decoration and deal with the interior design inside of the office people, yeah? But no watch no face, because guess what I go on? Things still are going in that office. Guess what I go on, right?
We're still cooking. We're still cooking in the cold and the wind, you know, we're still doing it. Oh, Ringo himself, he's still doing it. Even though it's windy and out here it's cold, he's coming out, he's still doing it. The fire's still lit, the food's still cooking. I can
Yes.
smell the flavours.
And people still shopping, said we're not getting their last bits. Boss man, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, bro.
Big up. Good vibes. Yes. That is it. Happy New Year, bro. Thank you very much. Wait. One more. No, thank you very much, bro.
to everybody else.
Yeah. Look, got a bottle of champagne here. I'm gonna bust this. Happy
Happy New Year.
We're outside. Yeah, man. We're outside, people. Yeah, we're gonna start sharing out the food right now. Ready? Yeah. Yes, everyone. So big up yourself. Happy New Year to each and every one of you that's watching right now. Let me say, a good vibes. Yeah, man, a good vibes. So what I'm starting to do right now is just share out the food, people. Yeah, you understand? Quick and fast. We've got some bread, holy for bread, because there's a crew of people right now. See the crew of people that came right now. This is for all of you guys. The bread. Understand? Good vibes. Yeah. So yeah, man. Let me just. That's one for you. That's one for you. That's the second. Yeah, let's just start sharing out. Woo. It's proper windy out here as well. This evening as well, people. Yeah. Super. Thank you very much to everybody that's been supporting us since we've been on this journey. It's been absolutely amazing, everybody here. We're going into a new year, and this new year will take us on another road, people. Yeah, we've completed the marathon. Adam, we complete the marathon, alright?
You done it, brother.
Come on, we've done a marathon. We've done 10 weeks. We've done 10,000 people. You understand? We're on 12,000 people, yeah? No. So right now, where we're at right now, yeah, we're just going all the way to 1 million people, everybody, yeah? And a good vibe, that is it.
The numbers rising.
Yeah, man, the numbers rising. We're just handing out the food right now. Spoon is coming. Thank you. Give me a spoon. There you go. Thank you. Good vibes, people. Yeah, so we're just gonna lock you on the soup. Yeah. Let's go.
How we doing now, Doug?
How you doing, man?
You all good? This looks good, smells good, as always. I'm good for bread, thank you.
This bit lucky.
Thank you, Ringo.
Good vibes.
Thank you very much.
Good vibes.
Good vibe.
You want a soup, brother?
Good. Nah.
Yeah, just hold a soup, man.
I just had something.
Let's go.
Yeah, my belly's fat.
Alright, cool. Say nothing.
I'm just.
Good vibes.
I didn't know you was gonna even be here.
I'm there, man. I'm there in motion. I'm there in motion.
Are you right now?
Yeah, man. Happy New Year.
Yeah, man. Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year. Just getting a few things from the shop and that.
Say nothing. Got good vibes.
Yeah.
Spoon? Yes. We wash them.
Yeah, but your bag is
Marvelous. Splendid.
Yes, everyone, as we can see, Lucky eating. Ringo is just completing the mission right now. Lucky, how would you describe the flavours?
The flavors are amazing. It's always beautiful. Ringo knows what he's doing out here. So people, please support the cause. Support the cause. Ringo Vision. Thank
Can
you.
we tell him, is it nice and spicy, is it?
It's not too spicy. It's not too spicy. It's just right for everybody. It's what would we call it? Equal.
Yeah?
It's equal, but it's got the right flavours.
Lovely flavours.
Beautiful flavours.
Good vibes, yeah?
Good vibes.
Good vibes. Good vibes.
Yes, people, so we're there, we're outside. Lucky just gave you the verdict, people, yeah? Yeah, man, our good vibes. We got Adam that's on camera right now. Yeah, man, Happy New Year to each and every one of you that's watching. Yeah, man, it's an idle stew right now with some pumpkin, some banana, some yam. You understand? Some garlic, some sweet potato. You understand? You understand? Our good vibes and we got this Happy New Year to each and every one of you that's watching.
Hey.
Good vibes.
Happy New Year.
Yes, people, so you see, say he's enjoying his food, you understand? And I know joke thing, you know, when I tell you, what? I know joke thing, people, when I tell you, say the people, them have to get their food, you understand? That is it, yeah? A good vibe, one love.
It's a, I can't pull up one of them. Love.
Yes, people, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Thanks for the soup, Ringo. This is a bad boy soup as well, you know.
That is it, a good vibes.
Thank you, my baby.
How the food taste?
Try it. Fucking lovely. Sorry.
You have to eat. You have to eat.
Lovely.
You have to eat.
Really? It's hot.
Good vibes.
Yes,
Yo,
Ringo.
that is it.
Well, we can go Happy New Year, baby.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you so much. Happy New
Good
Year.
vibe. We're outside, same way, no people. That is it. A good vibe. Yes, everyone's on the final part today. We are watch down the pots and wiping down. Happy New Year, people, yeah? A good vibes. Yeah, man. Lucky, well, go on. You got all them pallets there already, yeah?
Yeah, already.
You can see where I go on right now, people, yeah? Alright. So this is the last day of the year. Yeah, man, it's been a marvelous year this year, people, yeah? The mission continues, you understand? Our good vibes, big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you that's watching. That is it. Big up yourself.
And you don't stop. I give me all fucking beer.
What do you think you're doing here, boy? I think you need to sit back down and chill out.
Adam, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys. Hey.
Lucky, what are you looking for?
More drink. That's right. Wait for him.
Lucky, what you say? New Year drink.
Happy New Year. God bless to all of you. And thank you for all your support this year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, man.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you, Ringo too.
Happy New Year, brother Oz.
Happy New Year to all the viewers. Happy New Year to all the subscribers. Keep liking, keep following. Come on.
That is it, people, yeah. A good vibes. The fire keeps burning right into the new year, people, yeah. Blessed love to each and every one of you that's watching. You understand? I just thought we're just gonna sit here and just bring the new year in around the fire. That is it, a good vibes. One love, everybody, yeah. What do you say, Adam?
All good, brother.
Yeah?
All good. I think we've done this year, but this year's gone really good. Hopefully we can beat the goal next year. It's coming on. Come on, we've got to do this. We need the help and support from everyone. As much help and support that we can get.
That is it. Mr. Lucky.
Yo,
Well, go on.
I was about to open my beer.
Now bust the beer because look, we're closing the year, man. Bust that.
Come on, close the
Bust
year.
that.
Come on.
Bust that.
Brothers in arms.
That's it.
Brothers in arms all together.
Spill a little bit.
Happy New Year, people.
Good vibes.
We've got to spill a
Thank
little
you
bit.
food again for your support this year. And please keep the vibes going. Keep the vibes going because at the end of the day, there's people that need people.
That is it. And we've got somebody here, yeah, as well, that we're helping out as well. Yeah, man. he coming like, yeah. You understand? We'll talk about his situation another time, people. Yeah, you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine, thanks.
Yeah?
Yeah, just gonna pop to get some fresh air.
Get some fresh air. You're in fresh air.
Right outside.
Yeah, in for a second. I think, to be honest, that's what mental health does to people. And there is not enough support in this world to help people like that out. So let's change the world. Come on. Ringo Vision. One love.
That is it, people. Yeah, one love, a good vibe. Happy New Year to each and every one of you that's watching. I love every single one of you, and keep on commenting. I'm reading every single comment, even though I haven't replied and said something, but I've read everything. Just bear with me, people. Yeah, our good vibes are outside. You understand? And the fire is burning. And yeah, man, we now start the movement, people. Yeah, that is it. One love to each and every one of you. That is it. Happy New Year. Good vibes.